Hey guys, a long time ago we did a review on this sofa right here, and I have to keep the review pretty much the same thing even now, which is a long time later. uh, Pretty much storage space is the best, so this does go up. And this storage box, so this right here, one of the questions I got is, can you move this to that side? Yes, you can. I actually made a video, and to move that side, like if you have it all set up already and you want to move that over there, you pretty much have to take everything apart and then you can move it. But it's a good thing that you can assemble it however you want. Now, the biggest thing that I don't like about this, because I like everything about it, is this. So let's just pull this out. So it pulls out like that, which is awesome. However, it does come out very easily, and I'll show you why. And I'll show you why first. So let me just pull this out. So all I have to do is just lift it up, push it in, and push it out, and then it just comes out like so. So sorry, I couldn't show you that. But there's these things on the side, right here. See these guys? Now they should be longer. And I don't know why they're not longer. But yeah, they start to get loose over time just a little bit. I'm just gonna tighten that up now that I'm looking at this. But anyways, down here, what keeps it locked in is this right here. So the thing is, since this isn't long enough, if you just push this a little bit, it actually comes out and then it just slides off. So whenever you're sitting, well, if you use it like a bed, without a topper or without something on top of it, then this will keep sliding off. As you move around the bed, you could just be sliding a little bit and then this just comes out. So it's very annoying. So here it is. That's how it looks like. It's not the most comfortable thing in the world because you got this spacing, right? So if you don't have a topper on, it's not the best thing in the world to sleep on. However, with a topper, this part right here does not come off. That stays where it is. You're good to go. Now, we actually did end up buying a topper for it. Now, this is what it looks like. That's what I'm talking about. It's one of those bed toppers. And it's basically just sponge, like this memory foam. And that you can place on top in order to make it a bed. And I want to highlight that that can fit here just fine in this awesome storage area. That can fit there just fine. So if you want to use it like that for a sofa bed, for sure buy a topper. Put it in there. That's all that's going to fit there, by the way. Or if you don't think that you're going to have guests that frequent, then just use this as a storage space for really anything. Now, again, we used to have this upstairs in the main living room. We just brought it downstairs to the basement because we actually bought a second one. And the second one we're using upstairs. But it's in great shape. We still like it. I still highly, highly recommend this. Now, there are zippers right on these things. Here we go. So you could technically take this off. So here's the zipper, and that's the inside. So that's the inside of this. It still holds its shape. It's pretty good. Now, obviously, for us to maintain the shape, sometimes we just turn it around and leave it like that. And then we keep using it like that, and then we flip it over again. And that's one of our tricks to kind of keep the shape of this. Now, in terms of stains or anything like that, we haven't really had any major spills on this. We just had some spills, but nothing that you guys can see, any stains that were left over. And we only just cleaned up with water. Nothing major just yet. We're going to see later on. But I'm glad that you can take this stuff off and then just wash it. Other than that, I'm really happy with it still. It's really easy just to put it back in. I can do it with one hand. I'm recording with the other. And that's why this looks like that. Sorry about that. But anyways, here we go. There's the sofa back. So it's very easy to take care of it. It's pretty easy to handle. And the best part is that, yeah, you can put the storage area in that side or that side. It's up to you. However, yes, if you ever want to do that, let's say you assemble it this way and you want to move it over, you will have to take it all apart and then put it all back together just to move that from place to place. Which again, we made a video about that, so make sure to check that out if you want to see it. Other than that, I do recommend this type of sofa. It doesn't really matter which color you're getting, I'm guessing. They're all gonna be the exact same thing. And anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.